Hola, hola, hola. Buenas. Hello, guys. We will cook a Spanish recipe for the dinner, and it is a tortilla de patatas. It's just very simple and quick, and our ingredients is only potato, onion, and the egg. That's it. So we will go and cook. Let's do it. So first I will fry a little bit the onion, and then I will add the sliced potato. That's it. We will fry it for a few minutes to half cook it. Not so much cook, not full cook. We need to cook it a little bit only. Half cook, like that. We will cover it for the steam will help it for the cooking. I put it in the medium fire. Okay. I will put chili powder. This is it. Not so much. And the black pepper powder. And salt to taste. That's it. Needs more time to cook. We cover it again. Okay, I think it's already cooked. Yeah, it's already cooked. So what we will do now is we will set aside. We will put it on the side so that we'll let it cold. A little cold. There. I will off this one. Okay. While waiting for the potato to be cold, I will beat the egg. I will use 3 eggs. That's it. Since I put already salt, spices here on the potato, I don't need to put anything here on the egg. Otherwise, it be salty. There you are. thing more, you can put at the center a ham, a normal ham, a cheese, on the center of the potato when we make the omelette, the patatas, tortilla de patatas. It's like a cake. Since hubby doesn't want, so I will not use any, only potato, onion, and the egg. That's it. So this is already cold, so I will put this one a little bit cold. I will combine, I will mix the potato to the egg. Okay. One thing more, if you want to, the potato will be so smooth, will be so soft, you can put a little bit milk, liquid milk. So that's it. I use again the pan. I will add a little bit sunflower oil. That's it. I will put this one again. So like this. What I'm telling a while ago is you can add a cheese or a ham at the, you make a layer here. You put a potato on the base, then put a ham or cheese as you want, then cover it again with a potato. It's like making a lasagna. That's it. Okay, that's it, and we will cover it to make it be cook the egg and the potato as well, because it's already half cooked a while ago. So that's it. Okay, so this is it, guys. So yan, there is it. Okay, it's already cooked. Ayan. Here you are. So here you are. So this is it, guys. Yan. This is tortilla de patatas. Tortilla de patatas. It's a Spanish recipe. I use potato, sliced potato, onion, and egg, and spices. There you are. So that's it.